Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable and use voice chat in Roblox guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Open up browser, just need to search for Roblox. Click on the official website Roblox. You just need to log in your Roblox account guys. After logging your Roblox account, click on setting gear icon and select settings. Under the personal, you just need to make sure age is verified over here guys. If not verified, click on verify my age, and you need to download the QR app, then open the app and scan it guys. And after scanning it, you just need to prepare a valid ID, driving license or passport ID card or residence permit. You just need one of these valid ID guys. This is a simple procedure involving only two basic steps. When verifying your age, you will be required to submit one of your legal documents. The options available will depend on your country live in guys. As a second step, you will be requested to upload a selfie, and when properly done, your age will be verified within a couple of moments. With your age verified on Roblox, head over to privacy over here, click on it. You will be see the beta future over here guys. We will be seeing that. Remember that this option will only be visible if your age is verified guys. Under the beta future section, you will be find the enable voice chat setting with the voice chat button being off by default. You just need to turn it on guys. Voice chat in your Roblox account should be enabled now. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.